Brezscales is generating hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month using his YouTube channel. And his funnel is just so simple, but anyone can copy him and make thousands of dollars. It involves just 3 steps: creating traffic, nurturing the audience, and then selling to them. And today I'll break down how you can do it. It all starts with creating YouTube content, and Brez leverages YouTube to attract a broad audience, creating lifestyle videos that sell the dream of his ideal clients. Videos show behind the scenes into his entrepreneur life, providing both entertainment and value. And he identifies his target clients' needs and delivers exactly what they're looking for. And most coaches like you are just posting random videos expecting to get your ICP to watch. But if they don't care about it, they won't watch it. That's what made Brez stand out. He identified his ICP needs and delivered. And showing his ideal clients that he's living their dreams make him an authority. And the way you can do this is by identifying your clients' main problems and showing how you fix it and achieve their goals. That's because your viewers, with all respect, they're egotistical. They don't care about you. They don't care about how your day is going, how you're feeling today. The only thing they care about is what can you give them. They care about the value that they can get from their videos. And if you don't actually give them what they want, aka you don't solve their problems, or you don't help them achieve their goals, they won't watch your videos. It's this simple. And then step 2 is to nurture the audience. To nurture his audience, Brez offers a free mini course, as you see here, where he teaches his audience how he makes 6 figures a month. By giving them something for free, they're more inclined to buy his paid program. You can easily do this by creating a free mini course, digital product, or one-on-one call. Anything can work as long as your viewers are getting some kind of value. And the reason this works is very simple. A study from California State University looked into how offering a free product online affects consumer behavior. And these free samples allow customers to try out the product and judge its value before spending money. And this, in combination of the feeling of being obligated to buy, getting to test the product, can lead to more sales and a stronger customer loyalty. And the reason why this works is very simple. Let's say, for example, you give someone a free watch, even a simple Casio like I have right here. It's still pretty nice. But just because you gave your friend or someone else a free watch, now they're gonna feel obligated to one day give you something back. And it works the same on YouTube. If you give someone some kind of value that they can use and make some kind of money, then they're gonna feel more inclined to actually give you more money so you can help them, because this is simple human behavior. This is how humans operate. Okay, then step 3 is to convert them into a paid customer, so just get them for a high ticket price. Brez sells his viewers to his private community called Elite Round Table. It's this, and you get it after the live course, where they get coached by one-on-one by Brez and also get access to his private community. And how can you do the same? How can you also make hundreds of thousands of dollars with this simple funnel, just like Brez said? We use this funnel with some little tweaks and got great results for my clients and I. As you see, went from 6K views to over 90K, and at this point for this guy, we're doing over 130K views a month. For example, like 200K views for here, and an SMMA niche, then dropshipping 10K views, SMMA 2K, like just big outliers as you see here. It's just simple, just 3 steps: creating content, having a lead magnet, and having a high ticket program. You need to develop YouTube content that addresses the specific pain points and interests of your viewers, and creating consistent videos that build authority, value, and connection, which is usually lifestyle videos. And you do this by solving their specific problems. And again, like, if you don't give something to them that they care about, they won't give you something that, in our case, money. So you just have to give something to them, because again, like, people are egotistical. And then we need to offer them a valuable free resource, such as ebooks, webinars, or training sessions to capture and nurture leads. And again, that is because people feel more inclined to give you something if you have already gave them something. And in the end, funnel them to your high ticket program. We don't want to get $70 for this. No, Unless you have over 100,000 subscribers, bro, there's no point in you doing low ticket. If you actually want to make some kind of money under 100,000 subscribers, bro, you have to charge over $1,000 per client. Of course, at the start, when you're still learning about it, yeah, you can charge like $500. But your goal is to go for over $1,000 per client. And that is because it's much easier to get 10 people paying you $1,000 every single month, which is going to be $10,000, than to get 100 people in for $100, or getting 1,000 people for $10. It's just this easy, bro. Like, it's just numbers. This is much easier to do than this, and especially from this. I have seen even a 13-year-old making over $4,000 in revenue every single month with barely 1,000 subscribers. This is the power of charging high ticket for your clients, bro. And if you want us to do this for you, adding an extra $60,000 to $100,000 to your high ticket offer in just 180 days with our 6-figure content engine on a pay results basis, then book a call with me, first link in the description. Thanks for watching this, bro, and have a good day.